Hmm? Damn. I wish I knew how to read. He's right. You should only do the things that you really, truly enjoy. What is up, guys? Technicals here. I've decided to switch things up and focus in on the stuff that I'm truly passionate about. So moving forward, the channel's going to be a little bit different. I'm excited to share with you my passion, really the only thing I care about. So let's take a look. All right, so good form. Excellent. Yep. I like that part. I like that part. I really like that part. It's okay. Nice. Yeah, that's good. Excellent work. Yes. It's okay. Yes. 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 Excellent form. Oh, oops, fell down. Okay, here we go. Excellent work. Yep, good form. Yep, I like that part. Let's see what do we got here. Yep, that's good. I like that part. That's very good. Excellent form. Yep, let's, also good. What do we got here? This one, it's good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Officially a, I don't, Yep. That's good. That's my new channel content. I appreciate you stopping by. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is the only thing I'm going to do from here on out. And yeah, that's it. So be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this on The Technicals. See you next time.